What is up, everybody? My name is Samurai Hawk, and we are going to one of my favorite places I have built. We are going to Turbine Cloud. Now, as you can see, it's got 6 turbines on each. It's got some floating islands around it. See, and then on this side we have this ship. Not much. No, pretty small. It's that. Now my friend Ninja Hawk will not be joining this channel today. Only because Ninja Hawk is really busy today on his channel. And he will be back in a couple of hours. I just know he'll be back for the next video I'm making. And so, this is Turbine Cloud. No, it's pretty big. It's cool. Over here we have a water system that goes from there to there to there. Then from here, from this, it goes in this tower down there. Then down there. And from there, goes through here. Then from here, goes down here into this, then connects to this machine that cuts through there, then goes through there, then comes into this, and then goes, and that's the ships in the city's water system. But I started in another place to show you the water system. I think the proper place to start the video, or not video, proper place to start the whole water system, probably be over here. I don't know. Okay, so, or, no. Water system starts over here. It starts down there, comes over. It basically just goes throughout this entire line. It goes through the 2 towers on the ends. This one does this through this wheel. And that wheel takes up an island off the city. Over here we have the back turbines. Down there, the lower deck. Back here, the fin. Now we got the 6 turbines, that again. Then here at the bottom, got more fins. And that. What else? You know, it's a normal floating city village. Over here we have the front of it. And I don't necessarily think there's like something to control it though. Here we have this part. You know, like beautiful. It's a beautiful view. This guy's. Sorry, people. Over here we have an entrance to the bottom of the ship. I will just show you a little bit, and on the other side as well. we have this table. And I will show you where Ninja Hawk lives. Ninja Hawk lives down there, and I live over here. It took me 5 months to build this place. So, the kitchen. We have, we have Ninja Hawk's room for when he wants to come and visit. I think it's starting to get a little, it was just the black paint and house of cards. Then we have my chests, and up here is my room. Not necessarily a lot of privacy. But what I forgot to do was give myself a TV. Guess I'll do that right now. Let's see. We could take some. Can't necessarily find it in my inventory. We need some speakers. That's what we'll need. Speakers. What to use to make speakers, I don't know. But what I could use is something like Deadpool. Okay, I can't necessarily find what I need for the speakers, but yeah, there's my TV. Why do I have a flower pot? It's useless. Useless. Fire charge. So yeah, this is my house. Okay. Put the bed in a little while. Let's see. What didn't I show you? We got some islands out here. One of the islands right here should be glowing. Yeah, over here. I got it. Sorry about that. Let's see. Yes, here we go. Now, this was my earlier account. And, let's see. 2 years old. Whatever. So, I guess that's pretty much it that I have to show you guys. But, you can download this map on MCPE. It's pretty cool. Download it for yourself. Do some things that you want to fix. Invite your friends over. Don't invite Ninja Hawk. And because when I did, he kind of sort of flooded the place. But if you have anything to say about this or how to download it, I'll say it again. Leave it in the comment section. MCPE Downloader. It's an app where you can download maps, your skin, and use it for your Minecraft. And I'm using Minecraft Pocket Edition. So any of you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.